Would you like to know how to reorder your visual schedules? It's quite easy. Hi, it's Jo here from ASD Tools. Let me walk you through it. Let's go back out to the menu. If you hold any item down and slide it to the left, you'll see either the pen tool or the trash can, or just the trash can. Now, if you see the trash, that means it's a visual schedule that has come with the app. It's one of our examples for you. If you see the pencil, that's one of the ones you've created. These ones you can edit. So just select the pen tool. Now you'll see a little circle on the right hand side beside the image with the lines in it. That is the edit or the move button. If you hold your finger down even on the image itself, it will let you change the image, which we don't want. If you select the circle, however, on the right hand side, it will let you move it. So it's just a matter of getting things in order that you want. When you've finished, press the little finish flag down in the bottom right hand corner and save it. And now you'll see the ticks come up and the numbers. The numbers on the left, the ticks boxes on the right, and we even put a little finish flag at the end for you to make things easier so that you don't have to keep on doing that each and every time. Now we've got the timer here at the bottom. As you know, it's a favourite in audio. Timer is low startle, so that's great for kids that have large aversion to timers and don't like sounds. This is a game changer for so many parents and teachers and therapists too, come to think of it. Okay, so let's go back out. If you have any questions, please send me an email via our website, www.asdtools.com. Follow me on Instagram, follow me here on YouTube, and if you haven't already, please leave me a rating on the AppStore. You don't have to leave a review, but if you can leave me a nice star rating, that will really help get the word out and help spread the word amongst the autism community. App will really love to hear from your users and know what you really think about the apps. So do I. So please make my day and leave a lovely review. Anyway, if you have any questions, reach out to me. Instagram, please follow me at ASDTools_app. And I look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a great